Hello, my lovely people. Welcome to Zinat Kitchen. I hope and pray that you are all well and safe. Today, mo be faire gâteau patate and a special request pour Jimun ki zamin faire gâteau patate. I know you will find it a bit strange, but in Mauritius, sweet potato, we make it as a dessert, as a sweet potato fritters. Please, let me just show you the ingredients and start showing you how to make it step by step. Shall we go then? Here is our ingredients for today, guys. Sweet potato, which has already been washed, and then I'm going to put it to boil here. And I have 4 tablespoons of sugar and 4 tablespoons of desiccated coconut plus 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So now what I will do, I will just put the sweet potato to boil. Once it is all ready, I will come back to you. Ok, ici nos ingrédients pour gâteau patate. La patate qui est finie lavée, je vais mettre d'huile là. Je vais mettre un petit pinch of salt là-dedans. On a du sucre blanc et on a coco râpé. Puis je vais mettre une petite cuillère vanilla essence, une petite cuillère seulement. Voilà. Je vais attendre sa patate là finit bouillir. Là, je vais vous guetter encore. Je vais vous dire ce qu'il faut faire. Sweet potato is boiled. Yeah, it's ready. Patate is finished bouillir. I will drain it and then I'll get back to you. I drain it. I will leave it to cool down a little bit so I can peel it. It's too hot now. Je laisse frais un petit peu, la lame peut plisser. I'm going to peel it now. It's not that hot, so I can do it now. Here I managed to peel it. Yeah. Now I have to just mash it. I will leave it to dry a bit, air a bit. On finit plisser, à ce moment on peut craser bien. On peut laisser gagner un petit peu pour lui paraître sec et frais. Là, nous pouvons continuer. I'll get back to you once it's all done. Once I mash everything and leave it to dry a bit. I mash it. On finit craser. It is still a bit hot. I'm just going to leave it until it dry down a bit and then cool down. On peut laisser frais un petit peu et en même temps, il peut sécher un peu. Là, on peut mixer la farine avec lui. Once it's ready, I'm going to mix some flour with it. I will come back to you. Here, I don't put flour in all the sweet potato. I take little bit. I add the flour and then I roll it. And don't roll it too thin. Then roll it. If you feel you need to put more flour, you can add it. I do little bit by little. Roll it slightly, but not too thin. Then with the help of a dish like that, a little bowl, I cut it around like that. And I remove the excess. And then I get my circle here. Look. If you feel you have to put dry flour, just put it. If not, if you can work it out, it's good. Just fold it like that. Press it with your finger. And then with the help of a fork, just close it like that. It's sealed. Here, like that. Just make small ball. Just continue that way until you finish all. Then we will fry. Here we are, guys. In just 1 pound of sweet potato, I think I've got 22 banana fritters, potato fritters, sweet potato fritters. Dans this and leaf batat, mungai vendi gato batat. So if you are beginners, it's best to do it in small quantity, make small bowl and then roll it and do it. If you can do a big roti, that is okay. But when you are beginners, it is better to do it slowly. Then there is no wastage, no disappointment, nothing. With a little bit of time, you will manage to do it. Okay, now I have done this all. I am going to start frying now. It has to be on medium heat. Oil must not be too hot. Here it is, my lovely viewers. It's all done. I hope you try it at home and let me know. You can use it as a dessert or as a little snack. In Mauritius, we use it a lot. We just love it. Thank you for watching. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe so you don't miss any of my video. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Zinat's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit. See you in my next video. Bye.